wish everybody would leave me alone. Am I crazy? I don't know. I'm such a wreck up in my head. Don't it make me human though? Got all this baggage but nowhere to go. Am I lonely? Maybe so. Starting to shake, it's all I can take. I'm about to lose control. I'm seeing double. I got the itch. Think I'm in trouble. I gotta feed my habit 'cause I need to have it. I'm a freak for madness. I'm a little bit obsessed. My brain gets static, can't stop taking habit. Might be post-traumatic. I'm a little bit obsessed. Wish everybody would leave me alone. Am I crazy? I don't know. I'm a little bit obsessed.
Hi, V. Sa wakas, andito na tayo after a year of preparation. And I just want to thank first God for making this possible. Na halos sukuan na lang natin. Pero look, we made it. Kidding aside, I'm so proud of you from the person you've become and sa lahat ng achievements mo in life.
Held within your arms, carried through the night, whispers in the dark, pull me to the light.
To my husband to be, wala na akong ibang maisip na Because you deserve all the things in the world. I love you and see you later.
It's right in front.
Unang-una sa lahat, salamat. Maraming salamat sa Diyos dahil umabot tayo sa araw na ito at hindi niya tayo pinabayaan. Sa araw na talagang hinihintay at ating pinapangarap, na inakala natin ay hindi natin makakaya.
Open heart, another light, another star.
I hope magustuhan mo tong gift ko with a smile on your face. You are my daily coach and every time. I'll be here for you always. I'm so lucky to be your husband and have you as my wife today and every day. I love you.
Held up to the light, I could finally see.
From the moment na kilala kita 8 years ago, alam kong ikaw na talaga. Napaka-responsible mong tao, mapagmahal sa pamilya, sa amin nila Toby at Hershey at pati na rin sa family ko. Never ka nagkulang at sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Alam kong hindi naging madali yung para sa atin lahat, but you stayed even during the darkest days of my life.
It's right in front of me.
More than 8 years na tayo magkasama. Grabe, sobrang tagal. Pero worth it kasi ikaw yung binigay sa akin ng may kapal. Nagsimula ang lahat sa simpleng pag-abot mo ng pagkain ng birthday mo. Kabago-bago mo pa lang sa opisina pero nagpakita ka kagad ng interes sa akin. Joke lang, super friendly po pala siya. Sabi nila na ang pansit ay pampahaba ng buhay. Pero nung inabutan mo ko ng spaghetti, gusto mo na pala akong makasama habang buhay.
It's right in
To tatay. Sorry kasi di mo na ako naabutan. Maglakad sa aisle. But, sana i-promise mo na makakasama mo ko when I walk down the aisle today. I love you so much.
Thank you, B. And I always wanted to say thank you again. dahil nagawa mo magpaalam kay tatay that you'll propose to me before he left us. Sobrang big deal nun sa akin knowing na you are responsible enough to ask for their permission first. At least alam kong may blessings from them at masaya siya para sa atin.
Hindi ako magsasabi ng a lot of promises, but I will commit na mamahalin ka ng tunay, give you peace, make you feel safe, and support you always and forever. I want to share in your hopes, your dreams, and your fears. I vow na tutuparin ko ang kagustuhan mo na maging buo tayo palagi, kasama ang mga fur babies natin na sila Hershey at Torme, at sa magiging future anak natin. To my Moana, today and every day, you are the most beautiful. Tunay na Disney princess. Pero ngayon na we are married, hindi ka na matuturing na prinsesa. Dahil from now on, ikaw na ang aking nag-iisang mahal na reyna. I love you.
I vow to love you in front of all people and our loved ones, not just only on the bright and happy days, but even more on the days when loving you requires extra patience and understanding. Nandito lang ako lagi for you. You're my one great love and forever will be. I love you so much.
Michael, protektahan mo. Pagtanggol mo lagi ang pamilya. Yan ang pakiusap ko sa iyo. Kasi ang kasal na ito, sagrado. Seryosohin mo, panindigan mo, itagham sa bato. Kung anong sasabihin mo sa harap ng altar na ito, panata mo yon, panata mo, Moana and Michael.